Okay, so let's discuss a question from thermodynamics, which is basically a question on Rankine cycle, regenerative Rankine cycle. The layout is given. So let's say the mass of steam that is flowing is m dot. M is the mass steam that is flowing. So the boiler, the steam comes to turbine. Somewhere in the mid of the turbine, some amount of steam is removed. Okay, so let's say the amount of steam removed is m naught, and the remaining amount passes through the turbine, produces work done, and then uh, becomes water because the enthalpy decreases. So the and goes to the condenser also. So some amount of heat is extracted there also, and then it goes to the feed water. Okay, so the mass of flow rate at 2 is m naught, m dot minus m naught, and the mass that comes, so some portion some portion of the steam that is extracted midway from the turbine, there also enters feed water so that it increases uh, the the temperature. Okay, because it's open heat water is just a mixture. So once you mix with this m naught, which has a higher enthalpy at stage 5, so the entering point of the boiler H6 will have a higher enthalpy. So that is so, and so the together now they combine and becomes m dot again. Okay, so now let's do the energy balance. Energy balance, because at energy balance at the mixing which takes place in open feed water heater. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so basically energy at 5, so m naught into the enthalpy at 5. M naught is the heat that is extracted, m naught into 5 enters, plus the another stream that enters is the mass flow rate is m dot minus m naught, and the enthalpy there is H2. Okay, that should be equal to the mass flow rate and the enthalpy at H6. Okay, now what we need to find is fraction of the stream that is extracted. So basically m naught by m dot, all these are dots because these are flow rates. Okay, so if I divide with, so m dot by m, let's call it as x. So if we divide with m dot, so this becomes x into h5 plus this is 1 minus x into h2 is equal to h6. Now h5, h2, h6, h2, 2 and 5 are the entry points of the mixing, 6 is the outcome. So let's substitute the values. X h5 is given as 2859.5 plus 1 minus x h2, which is 193.03, h6 is 798.65. so if I just simplify, x I get equal to 0.227. so 0.227 is the answer. Thank you.